Oh, this is crazy. This is when you know they're shooting you with that direct energy. As you can see, look at the water. I'm I haven't moved. I'm just kneeling down on this chair, and as you can see, look at the water is moving. Look at this. This is crazy, man. And I keep hearing the bottles. There's a couple more bottles here on the floor over here, and you can hear them popping and stuff. But as you can see, look, I'm not even moving. This is on the floor, and they're shooting that direct energy through the floor. This shit is crazy, man. I ain't making this up. As you can see, it's moving. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching this water. I'll put my hand over here so you can just see. Look, see, I'm putting my hand over here. That's crazy, man. And like I said, the other water bottles that's that I'm gonna put in a bag and get ready to throw them away. They're making all these popping sounds, and as you can see, this water is clearly moving. I can't make this up, you guys. This is what the government is doing to people like myself, man. So messed up, man.